The world of Pokémon is a rich and fascinating one that has captivated fans of all ages for over 2 decades. It all began in 1995 when Satoshi Tajiri and Ken Sugimori created the first Pokémon video games for the Nintendo Game Boy. The concept was inspired by Tajiri's childhood hobby of collecting insects, and the idea was to create a game where players could collect and train creatures, known as Pokémon, and battle them against other trainers. The original games, Pokémon Red and Green, were a massive success in Japan and were later released in North America as Pokémon Red and Blue. The popularity of the games led to the creation of a massive franchise, including a trading card game, an anime series, and a wide range of merchandise. The trading card game was introduced in 1996 and quickly became a popular pastime for children and adults alike. It allowed players to collect and trade cards featuring their favorite Pokémon, and battle against other players using their own decks of cards. The anime series premiered in 1997 and followed the adventures of a young trainer named Ash Ketchum and his Pikachu as they traveled the world, battling other trainers and collecting new Pokémon. The show was a huge hit and helped to popularize the franchise even further. In addition to the video games, trading cards, and anime, the Pokémon franchise has also expanded into movies, manga, and even a theme park. The first Pokémon movie was released in 1998 and has since been followed by more than 20 sequels, each featuring new adventures and battles between trainers and their Pokémon. The manga series, which began in 1997, follows the adventures of various trainers and their Pokémon, and has become a popular read among fans of all ages. Throughout its history, the Pokémon franchise has continued to innovate and evolve, with new games, characters, and features being introduced on a regular basis. One of the most significant changes was the introduction of the online Pokémon game, which allowed players from all over the world to battle and trade with each other in real time. The franchise has also faced its fair share of controversies over the years. Some have criticized the violent nature of the games, while others have raised concerns about the use of flashing lights in the anime series. Despite these controversies, Pokémon continues to be a beloved franchise around the world, with millions of fans of all ages collecting, battling, and trading their favorite Pokémon. The enduring popularity of the franchise is a testament to its timeless appeal and the creativity of its creators. The world of Pokémon is constantly evolving, with new games, characters, and features being introduced all the time. The franchise has even expanded beyond the world of gaming and entertainment, with collaborations with fashion brands and the release of Pokémon-themed food and drinks. In conclusion, the history of Pokémon is a fascinating one that has spanned more than 2 decades of entertainment and merchandise. From its humble beginnings as a video game for the Nintendo Game Boy, the franchise has grown into a global phenomenon that has captured the hearts of millions of fans around the world. With its enduring popularity, it's clear that the world of Pokémon will continue to evolve and expand for many years to come.